Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all the fashion enthusiasts out there. The best fake belly ring and fake nose ring piercing from Briana Williams. Whether you're looking to change up your style without the commitment of a real piercing, or you just want to have some fun with your look, this set is perfect for you. Let's talk about what makes these pieces stand out. First off, this set includes not just one, but 3 different styles of fake nose rings. Each piece is designed for comfort and versatility, so you can mix and match according to your outfit or mood. The fake belly ring also complements the collection beautifully, adding a touch of sparkle without any of the pain. Crafted from high-quality surgical stainless steel, these accessories are hypoallergenic and nickel-free, making them suitable for all skin types. This means you won't have to worry about irritation or discomfort, even during all-day wear. The materials are durable yet lightweight, so they feel as good as they look. Now, let's get into styling. These pieces are incredibly versatile. Pair the fake nose rings with casual outfits for a laid-back vibe, or dress them up with elegant dresses for a night out. The fake belly ring is perfect for summer outfits, beach days, or anytime you want to flaunt your midriff without commitment. One of the best features of these rings is their adjustable size. You can easily clip them on and off, allowing you to customize your look effortlessly. This feature is particularly great for those who love experimenting with different styles but don't want to deal with the pain of traditional piercings. Using them is super simple. Just clip on the ring to your desired area, and adjust as needed. They're designed to stay secure while still being easy to remove. This means you can switch up your look on a whim without any hassle. So, if you're looking to enhance your accessory game, the Briana Williams fake nose and belly rings are a fantastic choice. They offer a blend of style, comfort, and versatility that's hard to beat. Whether you're trying them out for a special event or just want to elevate your everyday look, these accessories will not disappoint. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab your set today. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.